My name's Beth Dodson. I'm a cognitive behavioural psychotherapist and dialectical behaviour psychotherapist. When I was sort of a teenager, I'm not sure that I was that clear when I was maybe 16 or 17, but then I just became interested in psychology. And we weren't fortunate enough to do psychology GCSE or A level when I was at school, but I just became interested in it, and I think I started doing some voluntary work with children with autism, and then that ended up me wanting to do a psychology degree, and I actually did my first dissertation on autism. Day to day, I mostly meet individually with clients or patients. I used to do a lot of group therapy work, but I mainly now just do individual sessions. My skills, I guess listening skills is a really key thing that you need for a counsellor or a psychotherapist. You need to be able to, consider the other person's needs before your own. You need to be quite reliable, quite conscientious. You need to have the ability to, I guess, be interested in the other person and a desire to help them. I guess the person would have to be quite interested in people. I think definitely enjoy people, enjoy being with people, interested in, I guess, emotional well-being of all people, and just kind of be motivated to encourage people to change. I think the best things are definitely contributing to someone feeling better. So working with someone who's probably quite low or depressed, quite anxious, or even has panic attacks, and then working with them to a point where they don't feel those symptoms anymore and they can get back to enjoying quality of life is amazing. Sometimes the most challenging things, of course, are working with people when they are quite poorly and they might feel quite isolated or not feel like anyone understands them. And that can be quite hard. But again, sometimes working with the most challenging clients can also be rewarding. I did start off with a psychology degree, and then I did a master's in child development, and then I trained in 3 specific therapies, so family therapy, cognitive behaviour therapy and dialectical behaviour therapy. But sometimes people now can just go straight forward for a counselling degree. Sometimes you could have done psychology before or nursing before. So a counsellor might initially start off £30-35, maybe up to £40 an hour. A psychotherapist who has maybe more specialised training in specific therapies might earn approximately £70 to £100 an hour. So tips, if you were interested in doing a job like this, then I guess you could definitely do some reading around, the subject. There's lots of books out there that are probably appropriate for young people to read. And I guess it's, again, just being interested in people, interested in change, interested in health or healthy well-being, and feeling happy, maybe even having some experience yourself, maybe when life's been difficult, and doing things that have turned things around for you. That might also inspire you to be able to help others.